So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I unbox another very important product. Actually this is not any electronics, and this is a shoe. So friends, in earlier of my video I unboxed a keto from Myntra, and today I unbox a canvas shoe. So okay, and as you can see that this is price is 980. Actually the original price is 800, and some of the VAT or tax are added to this amount. That's why this amount is reach near about 1000. So I got it Myntra. You can see that this is Myntra branding, and this before I unbox I say that this is from Boltio. This is a Boltio canvas shoe, and as you know that the Boltio is a UK company. So this is the bill. So okay friends, no more talk, let's unpack this. So as you can see that this is perfectly comes with good packing, and so okay, let's open. So as you can see that this is the good canvas shoe, and this it is actually in not black, it is navy. It is a navy color. So this is the right, and this is the left. So the shoe is pretty tremendous, and the quality is extremely good. So if you want to buy it, go for Myntra, because Myntra has best quality on fashion product. So actually this is looks stunning. Actually friends, some of you thought that the black canvas is good, but not in this matter. The navy is also good. It actually looks good in with a pair of jeans. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends.